Meaning of hurtful.
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 Hurtful. The word hurtful refers to something that causes emotional or physical pain or distress. A hurtful action, statement or behavior can result in negative consequences such as damaged relationships, loss of trust, increased stress and anxiety, or even physical harm. The impact of hurtful behavior can vary depending on the person and the context, but it often leaves a lasting impression that can be difficult to repair. It's important to be mindful of our words and actions in order to avoid hurting others and creating unnecessary negativity in our lives and the lives of those around us.